Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here today to remind you how important it is to moisturize daily. I have gotten my skin to achieve this dewy and non-textured look, honestly, just by making sure my skin stays moisturized and hydrated throughout the day. So I have found a new moisturizer that you can find at the drugstore that I use daily in the morning. The Olay Regenerist Collagen Peptide 24 hours hydrating moisturizer. It's fragrance free. This is what it looks like. And it includes collagen peptide, their 24 formula with vitamin B3, hydrates deep into the skin surface to visibly firm skin. So all of the ingredients are listed over here. It has water, glycerin, niacinamide, isahexdecane, dimethicone, and just some skin conditioners. So it's really important that you read all the ingredients, make sure everything goes well with your skin. This is fragrance free and I love it. It moisturizes me daily. Before I use this, I have a very insane routine, but it actually took me, I'd say, 10 years to achieve through educating myself online, social media, to learn really what works for my face. So I feel like you have to experiment a little bit and learn what your skin does, what kind of texture you have. To be honest, I've been to the dermatologist quite a few times and they've never been really helpful for me at all. But I do have great skin. I can't say I don't have bad skin, but I did have a very unhealthy lifestyle. Not a lot of sleeping. I haven't slept the last few days, which is why you can see like bags under my eyes. But you need to be sleeping, resting, having a healthy diet. In addition to that, you need to be taking care of your skin, staying hydrated. If you're not staying hydrated, it's not going to work. So in addition to using these products, make sure you're keeping up with a very healthy lifestyle to keep your skin fresh, beautiful, and firm. So again, the Olay Regenerist Collagen Peptide 24-hour hydration.